everyone is having an amazing day. So we have one of our seasonal subscriptions. And as you can see from the description below, today we are going to be unboxing the Walmart Beauty Box. This is for spring 2019. And it looks like mine took kind of a hit in shipping. But that's okay. Hopefully everything inside is okay. I've just taken off the silver plastic wrap around it that had my address, and that obviously would make it easier to get into without that on there. So for those of you that are not familiar, Walmart Beauty Box, it is technically a free subscription. You pay quarterly $5 for shipping. So you're not paying for the actual box, you're paying just the $5 for shipping. And here lately they have seemed, they're definitely stepping up their game. So yeah, Walmart. It now comes in like this type of box. The box used to be a little bit different. I know for the winter box, we actually got a little bag. So that was nice. So that was something I had not seen before. So let's get into the spring 2019 Walmart Beauty Box. Oh, and before I forget, they have two options. They have their classic, and that is typically for aged 35 and older. And they have Trendsetter, which is for 35 and younger. Now, I literally just turned 35. Just turned 35 in May. But I still get the Trendsetter. And I will continue to get the Trendsetter. So, I'll put a link and everything down below if you would like to sign up. Like I said, it's only $5 every season. So every 3 months, it's $5. It's a nice surprise. Usually we do get some foil packets or, you know, it's sample size items, sometimes full size. But it's definitely worth the $5. So let's see what we got. Oh, well, it looks packed. So right here on top, I see this little card. It says, Purely Pretty. Rate and review this season's products. And then it has hashtag Walmart Beauty Box. And then this is what I'm seeing. It looks packed. So, let's see what we got. All right, so the first thing I am seeing, I believe I actually got in the winter box, but I'm actually okay with that. I either got it in the winter box or in a Target beauty box, I'm not sure. But it's this Pantene Intensive Rescue Shots Ampule. It's a treatment that you use. It's a one-time treatment in the shower. And this stuff really works actually very well. It really made my hair soft and I really do like it. So I'm not mad at having another one of these. Not at all. All right, and then I recognize this guy. We've received this before as well, and I do actually really like this. This is the Hello, the fluoride-free whitening toothpaste. It's with the activated charcoal with fresh mint and coconut oil. Right here. And for some reason, this almost seems like a bigger size than what we've gotten before. So we got that guy. It looks like we have a little piece of paper telling us about it. And then we've got... Oh, we got some dry shampoo from Trendsetter. It says between washes, volumizing. Instantly refreshes and revives hair, no visible residue. So there is that guy right there. This is a good size. And I love dry shampoo. I'm a mom. So, you know, sometimes we run on coffee, dry shampoo, and no sleep. So I do really like dry shampoo, and I like having this size because I can easily take it or pack it and leave it like in my overnight bag for whenever we take a weekend getaway or something. And then we have from Purely Inspired. This is America's #1 fastest growing supplement brand. Collagen Peptides, grass-fed and pasture-raised, Vitality Blend with Biotin. And this is an unflavored dietary supplement. Gluten-free, dairy-free, no sugar added, non-GMO, keto certified, certified paleo. What? Mix one serving, which is one pouch, with 8 ounces of water or beverage of choice and take once a day. All right, so this looks like, it says do not use if pregnant or nursing. It's got quite a bit of vitamins, but it looks like the one that it really has, and it has 100% of the recommended daily value, is biotin. So that's kind of what I'm thinking this is really, targeted at. So that would be, for hair, skin, and nails. So, okay. And then we have Done-in-One Brow Pomade. Salon Perfect, Sculpts and Defines, Smudge-Free, and Dual-Sided Brush. Well, now this is interesting. I have not heard of this. This is what it looks like. It's given us, there we go. So you've got the pomade down here, and then here you have a brush, and it has like the little bristles and a spoolie on this end. So you see the spoolie there, and then there's the brush. Obviously that is it is dark brown, so that is way too dark for me. So I'll be setting this aside for a giveaway. But kudos Walmart for putting in a full-size beauty product in addition to already dry shampoo, the hair treatment, the dietary supplement, the toothpaste, and we're not done. I do love getting these. We have gotten these in quite a few Walmart beauty boxes. This is the So AE Purifying Black Charcoal Mask. It's for hydration and moisture. So I am very happy to have another one of these. I do love sheet masks. So yes. And then we have another bag. So this, to me, is 110% worth $5. And this bag is really cute. This is like a canvas bag, and it's got the pink little Walmart logo. They actually kind of resemble flowers, small like that, which is perfect for spring. Nice hot pink zipper. And then you open it, and it's a canvas bag. So we can always use makeup bags. Especially, again, this time of year. Pack what you need, throw it in a beach bag, throw it in a gym bag, throw it in an overnight bag. So that, you guys, is the Walmart Beauty Box, the Trendsetter for spring 2019. That's a mouthful. So I will put a link down below if you have not signed up for the Walmart Beauty Box and you would like to. Like I said, it is only $5, and it's once every 3 months. So you're looking at $20 a year total. And like I said, that's absolutely worth $5 in my opinion. Again, we'll just recap. We got this cute little bag. Again, it looks kind of like flowers, but it is actually the Walmart logo. So that I do think is cute. We got the So AE Purifying Black Charcoal Mask. This Biotin Collagen Peptide Vitality Blend Supplement. We got the Pantene Intense Rescue Shot Ampule, which, like I said, I did get before and I did really, really like. So this does work very well. It is one use. The Hello Charcoal Mint Toothpaste. And like I said, for some reason, this just seems... Is it me, or was it this big last time? I don't know. I feel like it's bigger. Then the Tresemme Dry Shampoo. Love this. And it is a really good size. And then this obviously is full size. The Salon Perfect Done-in-One Brow Pomade with the spoolie and brush dual-ended tool to actually do your brows. Again, this is going to go into a giveaway because it is in dark brown, which would be way too dark for my brows, but I hope one of you guys can enjoy it. So again, spring 2019 Walmart Beauty Box Trendsetter. All right, you guys, the link will be below. I hope you enjoyed the video. Have a fantastic day, and I will talk with you with the next one.